नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां. राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्ती म्हणजे नॅशनल गेम्स 2023 सद्या मदीं टप्प्यान आयिल्ले आसा, म्हणजे हाफ वे मार्क जाल्लो आसा. आतां म्हणसर तरी गेमी सारक्यो जाल्ल्यो आसा. गोंया खातीर खुश खबरी की गोंयांत हायेस्ट मेडल्स आसा टॅली ती अचीव केल्ली आसा. नॅशनल गेम्स ऑर्गनायझेशनान खुबश्यो अश्यो व्यक्ती आसा ज्यो पड्ड्या फाटल्यान काम करताल्यो आनी अशी आमच्या बरोबर एक व्यक्ती आसा ती गोंयचीच चली गीता नागवेकर. शी इज एक्झिक्युटीव डिरेक्टर स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा. तांणी पयले दिसा पासून ह्या एसोसिएशन शी इज ऑल्सो आय थिंक यू आर जॉयंट CEO फॉर
National Game Organizing Committee.
नॅशनल गेम्स ऑर्गनायझेशन. सो यू आर रिप्रेझेंटिंग गोवा.
Yes, you can say that, right?
Ajay. So how has been your experience? Can we walk in?
Yes, right, please.
How has been your experience?
Now, if you see, like, I taken the full charge as a Executive Director, National Games Organizing Committee from the 4th of April 2023. Though I was involved into the ED, SAED from last year, from November 2022. And then, because I know, like, from April, I will say from the February, we had decided that, okay, the national games are going to happen in Goa. From last February, we have been working towards the organization planning of this national game. And
which
you
is
know,
the first
like,
thing that you did?
The first meeting we had with the IOA, all the delegates
ground,
came.
or how do we go in the
This is
ground
access
area?
to grounds. We have to go the other side.
Okay. Yeah.
This we have in the accreditation offices, like where we make the accreditation cards.
Okay. So the first thing what you did?
First thing, we had a meeting with the IOA when we had gone to Delhi with our Honorable Sports Minister. And that from that time, you can say our full planning had started. And from the month of March, like the IOA had visited the Goa, they wanted to see our infrastructures. Where all the infrastructures which are ready, and when we come, and this time, you know, like the highest sport disciplines are happening in the state of Goa, which had never happened in the past.
So first sports infrastructure. I think it was almost half done.
It was half done. You know, like national game was supposed to have from past many years. Because of so many various reasons, it could not happen. The infrastructure was almost half ready. And this time, like we said, like, okay, 100% it should be ready. And we should not miss this opportunity to have the national games now in the state of Goa.
Okay, so you are there from day one.
Yeah, you can always say like, I'm there for the day one.
Specialist, how do you feel?
Yes, I feel like I'm very much privileged that I'm like from the day one, I'm there from the planning to the execution part for the 37 national game. And of course, I feel very proud that national games happening in the state of Goa.
So, आता हांगा हे जातले concluding ceremony.
Yeah, this will be the closing ceremony what we are going to have on 9th of this month, November.
So थंय स्टेज आसतली.
Yes, right.
आणि कितले 10,000 लोक expect?
We are expecting some 5,000 crowds, including the students also, the athletes also. Some of the VIPs will be there, VVIPs will be there, and some other general public.
How was your experience in inauguration? Modi आयिल्ले तेन्ना?
Yeah, of course, it was really nice. Like first time, maybe I had seen the Prime Minister just very close. I would like to say that because we used to always see the Prime Minister in the television. We used to hear a lot. First time I saw him very close. That's what I would say. And of course, coming a Prime Minister for the national game inauguration, it's something pride for us.
ते जाल्लें आसा. What was your experience now in this entire conduct?
Entire
Good,
conduct,
bad?
I would say, no, of course, it will be good. There are some, for every success, there are some failures which are there. And anyways, we have to overcome for everything. And if you can see the Goa also like having so many gold medals, 10 gold medals we have got, total 47 medals and 11 silver medals with got.
As we speak, कारण अजूनही
Yes,
games
of course, yeah. Almost 24 sport disciplines are still going on. It will be concluded almost on 9th of
So
November.
50 tally easy cross करता म्हणता गोवा.
Of course, I will say, yeah, of course, yeah. And I know, I actually, if you ask me very frankly, I'm not a sports person also. But from my parents, maybe my mom was into the sports.
Okay.
And I know how come I'm into the sports now. Maybe my higher authority thought like I'm the best person maybe to on this position. And yeah, Goa, like always we used to talk about the education hub So many things which are there. I would say from this, like Goa will become one sports hub now after this national game.
Which game do you like? तुम्ही केन्ना खेळूच ना लायफान?
Never. I used to
ल्हानपणान
never.
खो खो सुद्दां ना?
ल्हानपणान धांवपानी खेळटालें.
आं.
धांवच्यानी म्हणटा हय.
इतलें?
But not. Indoor games I used to play.
हां.
So many chess and all, but not the outside. Outside is never.
Outside games.
Yeah. We have 4 siblings. If you say I'm having one brother, he is into the football like most of the time.
ओके. आणि बाकीची?
I have my elder sister. She is in the FDA as a technical officer. I have my twin sister also.
अच्छा. Someone who looks like you exactly?
Not looking like me. We are fraternal twins, not identical twins, I would say.
Okay.
Our thoughts are the similar,
Ah.
but the look-wise is not the same. She is a deputy director in fisheries department.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Smita Majumdar.
अच्छा अच्छा.
I have
So
my
your entire
brother
family is
into the government gazetted officers. My brother is a doctor. He is a PMO, police medical officer in the police department.
अच्छा. Okay, okay. So now conducting of this ताच्या पयलीं मोगा जालो. Where is Moga? We also saw you.
Yes.
Moga,
Yeah,
Moga.
Moga, like you know, the bison is our state animal.
हय.
Like we say, like there is a mascot like which every games they make. And I don't know, but maybe earlier I used to never, I didn't knew like there's something that one state animal you have to make. When I was in the process, I came to know there's a state animal which has to wait, and this is one of the best example. I say, I don't know, everybody likes it. Even in fact, like I am also liking it.
You are
The way
liking
it has
Moga.
been. Yeah, of course. Moga, I would say Moga is a lover, Mog is a love, and Goa talks about the love here.
बट एज इट हेल्प मदत जाली तुमकां की पयलीं मोगा म्हणून मास्कोट लॉन्च केलो आणि नंतर देन यू वेंट फॉर नॅशनल गेम्स.
No, it's not like that. Like the planning had started. The planning कशें आसता, first we had to plan a logo एक करपाक जाय, एक mascot करपाक जाय. This planning had started from the beginning. Yeah, of course, the Moga has helped a lot. I would say, like people from this Moga, people came to know about the national game more compared to any other publicity what we are having.
घराघरान लोकांक कळ्ळें न्ही की
Yeah, of
मोगा
course.
म्हणजे कितें काय म्हणून.
हय कळ्ळें म्हणटा पयलीं कळनाशिल्लें. Used to always say Moga म्हणल्यार कितें कळनाशिल्लें. But later on people had come to know national
नॅशनल
games
गेम्सा
जाता.
बद्दलूय अवेरनेस जाली.
Of course जालें म्हणटा. आनी आमचे our sports minister under the leadership also the honorable CM also like आमी खंयचे स्ट्रीट प्ले केल्ले. The director art and culture, they had brought the awareness also. There was awareness which is brought by the publicity. This was done through the Doordarshan also, whatever the logo and the mascot launch what we had.
सो तुमचे वॉट इज युअर कॅन वी वॉक लायक
Yes,
दीस वॉट इज युअर मातशें फाटल्यान पळया रे उडके फाटल्यान. सो वॉट इज युअर मोस्ट यू नो डिफिकल्ट वॉट वॉज युअर मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पॉयंट इन नॅशनल गेम्स.
I would
If
not
you want
say
to
like
tell.
that there are difficulties in everything. Nothing goes anything very smoothly. I would like to say like I like to take the challenges. It's not that like at a time I was holding 5 charges. Director
Five
PWD, director electricity. I will say I was a director environment, member secretary GCZMA, and this was an additional charge also which I was having.
ओके.
You can say that see for everything your dedication is must the must. You should have the interest. If you ask me about me, if I'm more inclined towards my professional life than any other thing. So like it's not about having 5 charges here. It's about that like you can say like I done my PhD in marine sciences.
अच्छा.
The PhD taught us like how to take a decision.
So we have to
on your
call you
own.
Dr. Nigita now.
Yeah, of course, yeah, doctor, not the medicine doctor.
Yeah.
Although I come from the doctor family, my father being a doctor also. My brother is also a doctor. Now, I always say like from this experience, it's not the same. Like this is totally the administration. What I had done, the PhD in marine science is totally different thing. But that had taught us a lot how to take the responsibility, how to shoulder the responsibility, to be very calm and cool if anything happen. You should have the passion for everything. We'll say your dedication, which you always what is required, and like to take a decision on time. If something happen on the spot decision, that had helped me a lot to go in any field. I would say not only in the administration, in any field. And
So-
this is also the sport which is there. The administration play a very important role also.
सो पावस पडलो तर त्रास बी जावना तुमकां हांगा.
पाऊस पडलो कांय त्रास जावना because we have the venue commanders at every venues who are the like senior officers who are there. everybody had taken the utmost care, like nothing has happened. Like if any minor things which have happened, immediately it was taken care.
ओके सो आता अजय कंक्लुडिंगा बद्दल
Yes.
who's coming? Anything is confirmed?
Honorable Vice President, Government of India, he is coming as a chief guest for this.
Okay.
And many other delegates will be also present.
So this is yet another big event.
Yeah, of course, this is a mega event which is happening in the state of Goa, I would say. I don't know when the next in future the national games are come to Goa.
Are you
Because,
happy फाल्या नॅशनल गेम्साची हिस्ट्री बी बरयतली तेन्ना युअर नेम ऑल्सो वील कम
I don't know, I will say it's a teamwork. It's not me alone who had done it. I know I'm there from the day one. But of course, without the team, nothing is possible. for
do
healthy.
you also follow criticism for national games or you are busy?
No, see, there are criticisms which are there. It's not about I follow everything. You can say the criticisms are positive, negative also. If something wrong, yeah, of course it is wrong. But see, the mistakes do happen with anybody. For every event, there will be something criticism which always be there. I'm welcome to most criticism, I would say.
So after that you improve on that. No?
Yeah, of
You
course,
work
yeah,
on that.
definitely.
Okay, so what is the message? Especially now I'm looking at you as Goan girl who has cracked GPSC. That is
Yeah.
more important. खुबशे जाण आतां GPSC crack करपाक try मारता. Once, twice. This is actually out of syllabus question for national games,
Yeah, of
but
course, yeah.
since we are meeting for the first time, Goan girl who has cracked GPSC.
Yeah, I
Any
would
tips?
say this is my third batch of Goa Civil Service. Like I'm the first female maybe into the GPSC. I think the second batch there was one female also who was there. I know later on also there was some mostly like the boys who are cracking this exam. It's not always. If you see like the girls are never behind anything. Like what girls can do, maybe like the cooking, what people used to always say, they should be the housewife. It's not the case now. The women also are in the par with the males now. And I would say like as a female, like we should not like thinking about others. You should think about yourself, what best you can do for the society. It's not because there's little contribution always into that. Being a housewife also, there is a contribution which also comes from. I'm not saying that's no, but in the professional and you can manage your family life also, that many females they do that.
So what is तुमकां important ना ते भुरगे जे GPSC crack करपाक सोदता boys or
Yes.
girls तांकां कितें any tip?
Yeah, of course. See, आदी कितें आशिल्लें GPSC exam, like people used to hardly know. Even when I was small, I was not aware about that. Though I come from a family, most from the family are the government servant. My grandfather, who has been the AK, he's been the Mamledar also. There was a wish from my grandfather that you should be like holding these positions as a Mamledar or as a deputy collector, which was never the case with me, I would say, because my parents had never forced me that you have to. They said you study whatever you want to. Our supports are always there. And my papa being a doctor, I don't know, maybe he wanted us to be a doctor also. But he said like whatever we wish to, you study. Like I went into for my profession, maybe I would say like the PhD in marine sciences. I wanted to go for a further studies as a postdoc. I don't know how come I end up, I just happened to answer this exam. I end up into the administration. But yes, of course, I enjoy this profession life
So
also.
you like more administration or science?
You can say combination of both.
Acha.
The combination of the both, I would say. And as you said, for the GPSC, like initially people used to not know. Now we're having the internet. We're having the internet access. And I know nowadays the youngsters, they're more into the Google. They get everything, what is their future. They can plan their future at the beginning also, which was not the case earlier when we were there.
So what is the tip now? Ek mahina don't give up if you fail once.
Of course, I would say that first thing first, like you're most welcome for anything, whatever comes your way. That's one thing. Secondly, I would say, yeah, you should never give up. Like there are failures which has happened. There are many failures which have happened in my life also as well, but I never gave up. And all thanks to my parents also for that. All my gurus who have been there for that to support for everything.
Okay, thank you very
Yeah,
much
thank
for
you, yes.
spending time with
Yes.
us. Yeah, Shille, Executive Director SAG, Geeta Nagvekar. One and most important part is that she is GPSC officer from Goa, which is something which we are proud about. And she is one officer who has been representing Goa on a larger scale when it comes to national games. Ata Mansartari national games are going good. Thank you for watching this interview. You are watching us on goanewshub.com. Please follow us on all our social media. Thank you.